In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the CPR indicator in Tradingview. The Central Pivot Range, or CPR, is an essential tool for traders looking to identify key price levels, potential breakout zones, and reversal points in the market. Whether you're new to Tradingview or just haven't explored this feature yet, I'll walk you through the process step by step to get it set up quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to use the CPR indicator to refine your trading strategy and make more informed decisions. Now, if you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Tradingview is a powerful charting platform that offers a wide range of tools and indicators to help traders of all levels analyze the markets effectively. So be sure to create your account if you haven't done so already. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open Tradingview in your browser or mobile app and log into your account. This is important because many of the platform's features and tools, including the ability to add indicators, require you to be logged in. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Tradingview, which serves as the central hub for all your trading activities. Next, locate the chart area on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It's the section of Tradingview, where you can view price movements, analyze data, and apply the CPR indicator. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you're new to the platform, as it's where you'll spend most of your time. Now, look toward the top of your Tradingview window and click on the Products option in the menu bar. This menu is your gateway to a variety of tools and features that Tradingview offers, including the vast library of indicators. Once you've opened the Products menu, go ahead and select the Indicators option. This will bring up the Indicators window, where you can search for and add indicators to your chart. In the search bar within the Indicators window, type in CPR. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, and this is the specific indicator we're looking to enable. Typing it into the search bar will generate a list of relevant results. At this stage, you'll see several CPR indicators appear in the search results, each created by different developers or tailored for specific use cases. Take a moment to review the list of CPR indicators. Depending on your version of Tradingview, you might see descriptions, creator information, user reviews, or even popularity scores when you hover over each option. This extra information can help you decide which CPR indicator best fits your trading style. Some versions of the CPR indicator may include additional features like pivot line extensions, customizable color schemes, or built-in alerts. If you're unsure which one to choose, start with a highly rated or popular option. You can always switch to another version later if needed. Once you've identified the CPR indicator you'd like to use, click on it to add it to your chart. After you've done this, take a moment to confirm that the CPR indicator is now visible on your chart. You should see the central pivot lines displayed across your price chart. These lines act as reference points, helping you identify areas of potential support or resistance in the market. If you don't see the indicator right away, double check that it's been applied correctly or try reselecting it from the list. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the CPR indicator. At this point, you're ready to start analyzing your chart using the CPR tool. Use it to identify breakout levels, reversals, and key price reaction zones that align with your trading strategy. As you experiment with the CPR indicator, don't hesitate to explore other indicators or CPR variations to see what works best for your unique approach to trading. Remember, trading is all about finding the tools and strategies that suit your style and goals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.